I thought some time alone was what we really needed. You said this time would hurt more than it helped, but I couldn't see that. I thought it was the end of a beautiful story, and so I left the one I love at home to be alone. And I tried and found out this one thing is true, that I'm nothing without you. I know better now, and I've had a change of heart. I'd rather have bad times with you than good times with someone else.
Faded wedding photograph, you and me in our first dance. Our eyes are closed, we're lost in one sweet embrace. Since those days the world has changed, but our love remains the same. God knows we've had our share of saving grace, and I'm proud of all the blessings you have given me. The mountains we've climbed to get this far. We've learned to take the laughter with the tears after all these years.
I can't say goodbye to you, no matter how I try. You're such a part of me. Without you, I would die.
Yesterday I felt the wind blowing round my shoulder. I feel like I'm getting older, still I can't forget your face. Separated by a million miles of ocean, my heart still feels the motion, even in this lonely place. Oh, what photographs and places I remember, just like a dying ember that's burned into my soul. Even though we walk the diamond-studded highways, it's the country lanes and byways that makes us long for home. Can it be true? Could I be wrong? That somewhere in my past I fell in love with you. Can it be true? Could I be wrong? That somewhere in my past there was only me and you. I kissed you only once, but I keep wondering why. It seems I've kissed your lips so many times. I know you only now, but I keep wondering why. It seems I've known you forever. Nang makita ka'y di ko malaman saan ka galing, saan paroroon. Nakuha mong kausapin ng aking puso, nakakulong. Ilang araw, ilang buwan ang dumaan, tayo'y naging tunay na magkaibigan. Kahit malayo ka'y parang nandyan